How's it going, my fellow coders? This is Clever Coding here, back in another video. Clever Coding trying his best to give you videos on daily basis. So you could support me by subscribing to the channel. And now let's get started. So the last one, we started file streams. So let me include my necessary header files. Alright, let's just zoom this a little in. Okay, and save this as well. So I'm going to save this as, I don't know, let's call it handle2. Okay, so the last video we've discussed how to use the output stream, and now in this one we're going to use the input stream using file stream header file. So included the header file, input file stream. Okay, 1 minute, yeah. Input file stream. Now what you want to do is that you're going to have to include, this is called the data type, and then a name associated to it. So I'm going to call it identifier, what you could say in computer science terms. I'll call it ifile, conventional. So ifile dot open, and then your text file, whatever it is. So in the previous video, we created a text file called pokemon.txt. So I'm gonna basically make the user type in the text file, whatever text file he wants, whether it's Pokemon text or whatever text file you have on your computers. It's gonna read any file. So basically, I will say something like string, and then I say file name, and then I say cin file name. Okay, so that's for that, and then after that I don't have to write any explicit. I just have to write file name dot c underscore string, and this is 1 minute file. What happened? Capacity is just over. Dot c underscore string function. So this is really important over here. You got to take note of this. This c underscore string function will convert this into a C string standard, which will be easily compiled by the compiler, and we won't have some unexpected results. So do include this in your code. Okay, next, after this, when it opened up and everything done, we'll create a character variable c, which will read all through the file. So I'm gonna say while ifile good function, this means until you reach the end of file marker. Okay, now file marker is in every single file, and it indicates any kind of program, the end of the file. So the end of file is not visible to us humans, but the programs and the computer could read it and detect it. And whenever it detects it, it indicates the file has stopped, and you could execute and terminate your program. So this .good function is really useful for reading the whole file without the junk after it. And then after this, I'm gonna include ifile, what the variable was, dot get function, and then we're gonna include that c, whatever we said. So this dot get function will read every single line in the text file, every single line except for the \n. So over here, basically, it has a delimiter called \n, but we don't write it. It's just built in, and we don't have to mention it. So \n will not. It will check the \n. It won't read it, and then it will go to the next line. So after that, I do console output, and then I say the thing what I want, ifile. I mean, sorry, not that, but C. So if now if I run this code, execute, compile, and run, you're gonna see something blank, and you're gonna have to type the text file. So I'll say pokemon.txt, and look at that. All of those 1,000, I believe, 1,000 characters we've made the program right. Now all of those 1,000 characters are printed in our terminal screen, and that was awesome. Hope you guys like this one. The next video will discuss about different kinds of random ways we could use file handling, the random access, and it's going to get better and better. And also we'll introduce these functions like get and get line. So So if you didn't understand the use of this get and get line functions, in the next video I'm going to be discussing about this in more detail. So see you soon. Peace out.